Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are always welcome. Thank you for your constant support towards my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to cover your bra cups with your fabrics. It is very simple. Let's get started. Just take a good amount of your fabric, and let me measure the one that I have here for you. I have 23 inches. That's what I have here, and by length is 23 inches and the wideness is 11 inches. Something enough to cover your bra cup. I mean, the length the width should be enough to cover the both sides of your fabric. And the next thing you want to do is to determine the midpoint. This is 8 and the midpoint is going to be 4. I'll be holding it with pin. Determine the midpoint on your bra cup. 12. So here is going to be 6. As you can see, I use pin to determine to hold the midpoint. So I'm going to take my fabric, you fold it into 2 to know the midpoint. I already ironed the midpoint, so I know where it's going to be. There is a line here. You can just notch it if you want, but this line is helping me to know the midpoint. So you're going to place it here, enough to cover the both sides of your bra cup. You place it in the middle and remove the pin to hold it. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. See, you pin it. And now you start pleating. Just pleat. As you pleat, you pin. Pleat this place as well. Now remove the previous pins. Stay on one of the sides, pleating this, making the second pleat and pin. I'm just going to continue to pleat. After completing this side, I'll move to the second side. I'm done with one side. As you can see, another thing I want to tell you is to make sure you make your pleats firm, make it hard. If it's not hard enough, you can just remove the pin and adjust it. So I want you to pay attention to that, because when it is hard, it's not going to be loose in the middle and it's going to be firm and have a nice look. If you feel it's not tight enough, just remove the pin, press it and put your pin back. As you can see. Now let's do the other side. For this other side, you can decide if you want to continue to pleat in the same direction. You can continue like that or start pleating on the opposite side. It's totally left to you and it's still going to be beautiful at the end of the day. After pleating everything, this is how it looks. Like I said, if it's not tight enough, you can remove the pin and adjust it. Then put your pins back. After I pleated it, this is how it looks. This is the inside. You're just going to go to your sewing machine and stitch all around here. Stitch all around and remove the excess. Or you can do it from here as well. Just stitch all around here and trim off the excess. This is how it's looking after I stitch it all around. Can you see the inside? And this is the outlook. In the next part of this video, I'll be showing you how to conceal this place. I will start by measuring the largest part of the bra cup, which I have done before. It's 8 inches, but I'll still be doing it again. It's 8 inches. I'll be adding 1 inch to it, making 9 inches. That is seam allowance, and I'll be dividing it into 2. That is 4.5. So 4.5. So you're going to fold it into 2 and then into 4, like you want to cut a flea. So it's 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. I know you can't see this because I'm using white chalk on white fabric, but you're going to see by the time I cut it out. I'm just going to take that 4.5 all round. I'm going to come here and measure just half an inch. Done. I'm going to do the same thing, half an inch. Done. Come to the middle. This is 9. I have my 4.5 here. So I'll be connecting this to this half inch and this center to this half inch as well. Yeah. I'm going to take it to the same machine and just close this place up. After stitching it together, this is what I have. So you're going to take the right side. Remember that you're going to sew on the wrong side. So you're going to take the right side of the fabric and just place each of the ends in on this on your, and you're going to top stitch all around. So by the time you flip it inside, it's the right side that will be showing by the time you flip it. So take the right side, facing the right side of your bra cup, place it and just top stitch all around, then close it and close this place as well. After I've stitched this place and trim the excess, I'm just going to notch and then fold. You can use your hemming glue, place it in between this place and iron it down. This is how it's going to be. Go ahead and just top stitch this place all around. Flip it, you can flip it and just top stitch this place all around. Top stitch all around here. So by the time you press it back, it's going to go to normal. After I am done attaching the inside, this is how it's looking. This is the outlook and this is inside. You can see I perfectly conceal this place, and by the time you place it on your dress or your corset and you top stitch this place all around, when you attach it together with your corset, this whole place is going to be concealed and you're not going to see anything. This is the part that is most important, the up part, and it is well concealed. You can go ahead and iron it off flat. Thank you so much for watching this till the end. If you find it really helpful, kindly like, share, and drop your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.